Finish installing this Durock board on the wall here around us. Okay, and this is a shower, which is the shower. Actually, it's Hardy Baker board. You can see everything. It's Hardy Baker here, and this is the Durock one. So what left here is the space between here to here, and the spaces between here to here. Now for that one, I'm really using the DensArmor fiberglass sheetrock. The way why I'm doing it, because first it's flashing nicely with the sheetrock, with the normal sheetrock, and it will flash very nicely with the cement board. In addition to it, I'm intent to put tiles here, but that's, remember, that is a 3 feet, and I really want to go for 42 inches. So 42 inches is until here. So the 42 inches is going to be tiles, and you can do tiles with no problem on a DensArmor fiberglass with no problem. The only difference is that the cement board is really stronger, and it seems to me even cheaper. The fiberglass board I'm using to flash it with the cement board, it's called the DensArmor Plus. So it's an excellent board for moisture, and actually putting tile on it's no problem. I did it before, excellent. But remember, I will always prefer to put tile on a cement board than to put it on a fiberglass board. So as you can see, I put the fiberglass sheetrock here, and that's it. The other attribute of the Durock board, which is not exactly 0.5 inch, is a little bit 0.4, I believe, inch. And I think the Hardy Baker is a little bit wider than him, a little bit thickness. The thickness of the Hardy Baker and the Durock is different. It seems to me that the Hardy Baker is a little bit, maybe 0.42, then the other one is 0.4 inch.